Hi. So in the previous section, we were able to return a string from a controller action. This was nice to get an idea of how controllers work, but now we would like to build a real web application. If we want to do that, we want to get a easily customized HTML generated back to the browser who are using our website. So in order to do that, when we first created our project here, it already made us an index method, about method, and contact method, and they all return a view. So if we went here to the home in the views folder, and we can find for each one of these methods, there is an HTML page named after it. So for index, there is an index CSS HTML. If we open it, this is the HTML for that method that we are going to use. So if we go ahead and run the application and went to the home index page, so as you can see here, it went to our home index page. If we went into about, we will see the about page, contact. Yeah, the same thing. So if we went here to like contact here, we see the HTML for that page. And if we looked here, we see that for each one of these pages, there is a common layout. So as you can see here, there's a common bar here and a footage, and all of that is made in the shared layout. So if we went here, we're gonna find a page HTML here. This HTML is for the navigation bar, the footage, everything that's shared between all the pages of your site. We put it here in the layout page in this shared folder. So now, in order to make a more interesting website, we need to pass information to our view template. So in the model view controller architecture, the term model refers to the object which represents the data in the application. Often, model objects correspond to tables in our database, but they don't have to. So now let's create a model here for our category and for items within our store. So here, click add class, and for here, let's name it category. And here, let's put a public, a name for our category, like electronics, for example, get and set. And do the same thing for the item class model class, actually. Yeah. Item click add, and in here let's put like a title. So let's like string and title to get and set. And let's put a the category one, or a public category, to get from our category class the information it needs. But alright, get and set. Right. So now let's go to our store controller to add a little bit of code to the details, so we can create our view for the details method. Action result. So we're going to change the string to action result and change the message here into a view to make it return a view. Yeah. And here, let's just delete that. Var item equals new item. No. Yeah, item So here title equals item plus ID. Yeah, seems right here. Yeah, it's not. Let's just build this. So yeah, right. Yeah, we have to include here a using statement to use shopping store dot models so it can see our models class. Yeah, seems about right. Let's just build this. Yeah, everything's okay, I guess. So let's create the view for the details here. The view, and let's choose view to be empty here, and the model class to be album. Let's choose, and the model class to be item. Yeah, item here. I think that's, yeah. So as you can see here, it created for us the details HTML page. So let's just to view the items that we chose. So here, like item, and let's go to model dot title. Yeah, you can see it quite well. Okay, that's nice. Let's build this. Let's run our application. Go into details. Let's just put a parameter here so it can show us some entry for it. Because if you didn't specify the number of the ID, it would get us this page actually. What the fudge?
A few moments later.
That and put for item equals new item here and press like its title equals the item plus ID. Yeah, seems alright. And we also need to include a using statement here so it can see the model class that we created. So shopping, yeah, models. Yep. Let's go ahead and put here also the item we chose. Yeah, seems alright. Let's build this. Yeah, seems fine. So let's go ahead and delete that and to make it view us a the ID of the item that we chose. So let's choose here like put item and model, model and dot title. We have to make it here like model. Yeah, dot title. Yeah, let's build this. Let's go ahead and run it. Let's specify here an ID so it can show us the items that we chose. So as you can see here, it showed us like item number 5.